गोय अभियांत्रिकी कॉलेज फार्मागुडी वर्सांवर्स फायर सेफ्टी वीक घडोवन हाडटा। लोकांमदी जागृताय घडोवन हाडप हो हे कार्यावळीचो हेत आसता। ह्या वर्सा ही कार्यावळ 14 एप्रिलाक सुरू जाल्या। त्या निमतान जीईसीन उजो पालोवपी दळा वांगडा फायर डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन वर्कशॉप घडोवन हाडले। ह्या वेळार इंजिनियरिंग स्टुडंट चॅप्टर्सचे इन्स्टॉलेशन जाले।
Every year, the Government of India and the world over, we celebrate the Fire Safety Week and Fire Safety Awareness Week. And as part of the Fire Safety Awareness Week from April 14th to 20th, it's a one-week program. Today we are conducting a workshop and a demonstration on how to fight fires. First, we had a talk by the ONGC chairman, who gave awareness about the importance of fire, how to handle fire, because it's mostly like a first aid treatment that most people need to know. Our students, particularly from the first year all the way up to fourth year, have to be aware of how to fight fire. Knowledge of firefighting is prerequisite now to handle the situation across the country. So after the initial orientation, now we are having a demonstration by the fire department of Goa, and that will ensure that my students get the first-hand experience of how to handle A class, B class and C class fires. And then when they go back home, if there is any such unexpected event that happens, they are there to handle the situation as first line of defense.
GEC and the Goa chapter of Fire and Security Association, they have taken up this subject and they are percolating to the students of GEC college. So at a time it will be of very great benefit to you, because we are now almost going up. In the sense, if you try to see the higher building, now it is approximately 28 meters. So there can be possibilities now. The proposal may come, it can go up. So space is less. We are always going up. So we have to plan our things in a plan and design and construct our thing very systematically without any lapses in that. And the engineering student means the future engineers and the architectures will play a very, very important role in future due course of time. Thank you.
Friends, the FSCI has a goal. It was established. We are celebrating 20 years, 2 decades of FSCI in the country. It started in 2002. Its headquarters is in Chennai, and we are in the domain of fire protection, life safety, security, building automation, loss prevention and risk management, and many more if you students take up your responsibility, like in the domain of robotic technology as well. We have 24 chapters across India. Goa was the 13th chapter in India, and we are going to have much more chapters across India. The student chapters, GEC, as Mr. Arulkar mentioned, is one of the best student chapters in the country as well. I think you should give yourself a big round of applause.
GOA365 खातीर कृष्णा नाईक, श्वेता गावकार आणि निखिल जल्मी।